Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that has sparked countless movies, books, and childhood dreams. Could dinosaurs ever really return? It's an exciting thought, isn't it? Imagining those magnificent creatures roaming the earth again. But what does science say about bringing these ancient giants back to life? Let's explore the real truth behind this fascinating possibility. The idea of bringing dinosaurs back usually centers on DNA. As you probably know, DNA is the genetic blueprint of life, carrying all the instructions to build an organism. For dinosaurs, the challenge is enormous because their DNA is incredibly old. Dinosaurs died out about 66 million years ago, and DNA, unfortunately, doesn't last forever. It breaks down over time, especially in warm, wet conditions. So far, scientists haven't found any usable dinosaur DNA, and most experts believe it's highly unlikely that we ever will find complete, intact dinosaur DNA from that long ago. The oldest DNA ever recovered is only a few million years old, a tiny fraction of the time since dinosaurs roamed. Even if, by some miracle, we found a tiny, preserved piece of dinosaur DNA, there's another massive hurdle. We'd need a lot more than just a fragment. To truly resurrect a dinosaur, you'd need a complete, uncorrupted genome, basically, the full instruction manual. And even then, you'd need a living cell to put that DNA into, something like an egg from a closely related species that could act as a surrogate mother. This is where birds come into the picture. Did you know that birds are actually modern-day dinosaurs? That's right. They are the direct descendants of avian dinosaurs, which survived the extinction event that wiped out their larger cousins. This means birds share a lot of DNA with dinosaurs, more than any other living creature. So, some scientists are exploring a different approach called De-Extinction, or reverse engineering. Instead of finding ancient dinosaur DNA, they are looking at how they could genetically modify a bird embryo, using its existing dinosaur DNA, to gradually turn back certain evolutionary traits and make it look more like its ancient ancestors. Think about making a chicken grow teeth or a long tail. This is incredibly complex and still very much in the realm of cutting-edge genetic research, far from creating a full-sized brontosaurus. There are huge ethical considerations, too. Even if it were technologically possible, should we bring back species that went extinct millions of years ago? What would be the impact on our current ecosystems? So, while the dream of seeing living dinosaurs again is captivating, the science tells us it's incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to achieve through traditional methods like cloning from ancient DNA. The more realistic, though still hugely challenging, path involves exploring the genetic legacy within their living descendants, birds. For now, Jurassic Park remains firmly in the realm of fiction, but the scientific exploration of ancient life and genetic possibilities continues to amaze us.